guys, welcome back to my channel. It's TC. I hope you're doing good and having a wonderful day. Today I thought I would do like an everyday ghetto goth or whatever makeup look. I don't wear makeup every day, but the look that I'm going to do is like my go-to everyday look. It's semi-simple, I'm just gonna put it that way. I mean, like, you can add or take stuff off if you want to, and sometimes I do. Sometimes I wear the lashes, sometimes I don't, but yeah, I'm just gonna be doing everyday ghetto goth or whatever makeup. That's what I like to call it because it's not completely either or. So it's just a mixture. But don't forget to subscribe and like, and just keep on watching to see whatever I come up with, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit awkward, especially in front of the camera. Like, I could talk all day in person, but when I get in front of the camera, it's like, yeah, what do I say? What do I do? It's just the weirdest feeling. So you guys, bear with me. I'm still trying to get used to this whole YouTube thing. I really think it's fun, so I'm just trying to step out of my comfort zone because like I can be a little bit shy or just socially awkward. So please don't mind me. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So first I am going to be priming my eyes. I use this Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eye Primer, eyeshadow base, whatever, eye primer. I got this from Ulta. Well, my boyfriend got it for me. It was like $3.99. So yeah, I'm just going to use that. And this stuff, it kind of moves, so you kind of have to like be careful when you're blending it out so that you just don't wipe it all off. So I'm just going to basically just pat it on my eyelid. Like, y'all should know how this goes. So today I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 35P palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. You can buy it on the Morphe site, but I got mine from Marshall's. So I am going to be going in with this one right here. It's got the names above it, but y'all gonna have to do that yourself. I'm going in with this color in my crease, just for like a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with a warm tone brown that's just a little bit darker into this one right here. I'm gonna go in with that in my crease too. So this is what we got so far. It's just kind of like this bright, I feel like it's just washing me out right now. New problems when it comes to recording. You're just like trying to figure out the best lighting and settings. So next I'm going to be going into it's a similar shade. I don't know, it's just a little bit more rich and brown. So I'm just going to be doing all that. Yeah, I know it looks a little bit like crappy, but it'll come together. I promise. This right here, I'm going to be going in with that in the outer edges and the crease. Like, even with me having hyperpigmentation and some acne scars, I really don't like full coverage foundation. Like, I got to the point to where I just accept that my skin isn't like super clear. I do have hormonal acne, but I've been taking pills that have been helping a lot with it, but I do still have some scarring. So, but it is what it is. Like, you make the best of what you have, and me, I'm accepting of that. So I don't really care to like have a full coverage foundation. It just, if it shows, it shows. If it doesn't, okay, cool. But I'm not gonna stress about it. And I really enjoyed doing this look, and I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.